Hello friends, I'm going to discuss about this program, and the aim of this program is to develop a program so as we can find the address of a 2D array. And here we have the source code, that is include #include_iostream, which is used for basic input output statements. Then we have using namespace std, which is used for standard namespaces. Then we have int main, which is used for the execution of the program, and followed by we have two variables declared as integer and an array, and then we have a pointer declared, and then we have a cout statement which is used to display row major order at the output screen. Then we have a for loop in which the value of I is 0 and the condition is I should be less than 3, and if the condition is true, the value of I will be incremented by 1 every time the loop will run. And inside this loop we have another for loop for j here represents the column and I represents the row, and j is equals to 0 and the condition is j should be less than 4, and if the condition is true, the value of j will be incremented by 1 every time the loop runs. Then we have a pointer is equals to &a. &a here represents the address of variable a, and here we have given 0 0, that is it will start from 0 0 plus the formula of that 2D array for row major order, that is 4 into I row plus j, that is I represents row and j is to column, so 4 into row plus column. And then we will show that display that cout address of a is at element I and j is this one. And then we have for column major order, and inside this also we have two loops, that is for I is equals to 0 and I should be less than 3, I plus plus, and inside that loop we have another loop for j is equals to 0, j less than 4, j plus plus. And the difference here is that we have a formula difference, that here we used to do row into size of column, and here we do column size into row, that is pointer is equals to a 0 0 plus 3, that is our row, into j, that is our column, plus I. And here also we will display the message cout address of a is equals to at ith position and jth position is pointer is equals to n new line, and then we have return 0 to return the value, and we'll run the program, and you can see the address of a at 0 0 1 0 0 0 2 1 0 for all this for row major order, and here we have for column major order. Thank you. Hello friends, I'm going to discuss about the program, and this aim of the program is to make a program to find the address of a 3D array. And here we have #include_iostream for basic input output statements like cout and cin, followed by using namespace std. Then we have int main for the execution of the program, as execution starts and ends at main. Then we have declared three variables I, j, k. Here I represents the set, j for rows and k for columns. And here we have an array which is for row, column, set, row and column, and we have given values 3 4 5 each for set, row and column. Then we have declared pointer here, and followed by a cout statement which is used for the displaying at the screen, that is for row major order we are displaying it. And we have here nested loops for I is equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and the condition is I less than 3. If the condition is true, the value of I will be incremented by 1 every time the loop runs. And inside that we have a for j is equals to 0, j less than 4, j plus plus, and inside that loop we have another loop for k is equals to 0, k less than 5, k plus plus. And then we have pointer is equal to &a. &a here represents the address of a at 0th position 0 0 0, and this is the formula for 3D array for finding the address. And we have plus I, that is our set, into 4 is for our row and 5 for our column, plus our column into our row plus the set value. Then we have cout address of a for the ith position j and k is equals to is the pointer value, that will be the address. And then we have a cout statement for our column major order, that, and inside this also we have three nested loops, that is for I is equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then inside that we have another loop, that is for j is equals to 0, k less than 4, then j plus plus, and then for k is equals to 0, k less than 5, k plus plus. And here the formula changes a little bit, as we can see here. Instead of our for finding row major order, we used for column into row. Here we will do our for column major order, we will do row into our column. That is pointer is equals to ampersand a for the address of a at 0 0 position, plus I, that is our set value, into 4, that is row, and then column, plus 4, that is row, into k row into column, plus j. And then we have cout is equals to address of a at ith position, jth position, and k will be the value of that pointer. And then end line, we have a new line, then we have return 0, which will return the value, and we will see the output then. We can see for our row major order, this is the address 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 2. All the addresses are given here for every element of the array. And then we have column major order here. We can see here also the address of 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 2 up to we have 2 3 4. Every element, the address of every element is given here for an 3D array. Thank you.